In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add sitemap in WordPress using Yoast SEO. In order to do that, first head over to wordpress.com and click on the this Get Started option right here in order to create an account. Or you can also click on this login option right there in order to log into one. So in this case, since I already have an account, let me head over and click on login. Now here is my WordPress dashboard. In this case, just scroll down into your left sidebar until you can see in here this plugins. Go over to the plugins and click on this add plugin option. Now from in there, you can see in here already Yoast SEO. Head over and click on that. And then for example, in this case, just click on this purchase and activate. You can choose between annually and monthly subscription. They have 7-day money back guarantee, so don't worry. So on my case, you can actually see in here that we can install it. So for example, I will use RankMath SEO for that. It can be any SEO application that you can get. So once you head over to your actual SEO, you can scroll down and you should be able to see their sitemap settings. Head over and click on your sitemap settings from there and you can access it. Now in here you can see that we have our HTML sitemap. You can head over and click that. You can enable that right here, change its display format from shortcode to page. You can also add some shortcodes, sort it by published date, as well as some other options right there. Now you can also show dates, item titles, and SEO titles. So you can see in here the actual sitemap. You can change the actual sitemap depending on the post type. It can be posts, pages, attachments, floating elements, products, events, as well as other taxonomies option that we can see right there. You can save the changes once you're done. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.